Hi, in this video I'm unboxing the Healthy Care Mega B Energy Booster. So with this supplements, it should give you a lot of different type of vitamin B's. So in here, if you look at the ingredients, you can see it gives you vitamins B1, B2, and you got this nicotinamide, calcium, pantothenate, and pyridoxine, hydrochloride, vitamin B6. Then you got the vitamin B12, and then you got the vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and you also got folic acid and inositol, chlorine bitartrate, biotin. Sorry, all these medical terms is very hard to read. Pharmaceutical terms is quite hard to read. So we can open up this lid here, this one here. When it's not open, it's sealed with this one here. So when we open, it will make a crack, telling you that it hasn't been opened before. Also, it is also protected with this cover here, which you need to peel out. And inside, with this bottle here, it comes with 200 tablets. So the tablets, this is the size of the tablets. You can see. So if you ever worry swallowing big tablets, this is what the tablet looks like on your hand, as you can see. And there it is. So that's the inside, what it looks like on the inside. And we can also close this one. So vitamin B's energy booster from Healthy Care. So I'm just having real trouble closing this. Okay. And so this one here gives you energy and stress relief, clear the eyes, healthy skin and hair. So vitamin B is very essential to the skin. So it gives you healthy skin and hair, as well as helps your eyes. They say B groups vitamins are essential for the growth and maintenance of cells, which keep eyes, skin and hair healthy. So there you go. This is made in Australia, and 200 tablets with Mega B. Thanks for watching this video.